Hey, good morning. Hey, you know, 4 months ago, back in April 2021, I bought this Citadel shotgun, and my son and I, we came out and did a review on it. And right off the bat, we started having problems with it. And the problem was we couldn't get a round of feed from the magazine onto the carrier because the rounds were sticking. And let me show you a little short video clip of the first video I did on this. No. Yeah, so there's a round in the magazine, but it's not going to feed onto the carrier. That carrier feels like it might be sticking. Yeah, we were getting kind of frustrated there for a minute. All right, let's see here. There we go. See, now it popped in. Uh-oh. My last round did not feed after that Magnum. Yeah, so we're going to put some more rounds through this and see if we can get it broke into where it's not going to malfunction. But right now, man, we're just having a heck of a time with it. So that's the problem we were having. Now there's two ways to load this shotgun. Now I can pull back the charging handle, I can throw a round in here, I can hit the bolt release right here. Now I can load 4 rounds into the magazine, and bam, it shoots just fine doing it that way. But suppose I want to load this up without having a round in the chamber. Well, there's a little button right here. That is the carrier release. And so what you do is you take a round, or I'll take 1 round. Normally I would put 4 rounds in here, but I'm just going to do the 1 right now. So I have 1 round in the magazine, okay? If I work the action, it won't chamber that round. I have to hit that carrier release. Now when I hit it, it should release this round onto the carrier. Let's see if that happens. Just like that. Now if I work the charging handle, it's going to chamber and I can fire. So the problem, again, was hitting that carrier release. Sometimes that round would stick and wouldn't pop onto the carrier. So that's why I sent it back to Citadel. They had this for 4 long months. Okay, I just now got it back, so we're going to load it up, shoot it, and see if we have any problems with it, okay? So it's pretty hot out here right now. In fact, it's just a little after 8 o'clock in the morning and it's already 92 degrees. So let's load up and do some shooting. So actually, before we load this up, 1, I am going to have earplugs in, by the way. And 2, Citadel recommends you fire rounds that are rated at least 1,300 feet per second, okay? Well, I'm going to start off with some 7.5 birdshot. As you can see, this is actually rated at 1,290 feet per second, which I'm sure is going to be good enough. So, again, we're going to start off with 4 rounds of this target load. Okay, so let's see if this is going to work. I'm going to put 4 rounds into the magazine. Let's see if it's going to feed okay. All right, locked back on a empty shotgun like it should have, so far so good. Okay, let's try that one more time. I already have 3 rounds in my magazine. That's number 4. Gonna hit the carrier release. Yeah. You know what? Let's just have a little fun now. I told you we was going to have some fun today. Okay, this is a high brass 4-shot. That ought to be pretty cool in slow motion. Heck yeah, let's try that again. You know what? Really starting to like this shotgun again. Hey, again, Citadel recommends 1,300 feet per second or faster. But right now, I have some shells rated at 1,145 feet per second. So we're just going to shoot some of these and see if they cycle. Okay, I have 1 in the chamber, 4 in the magazine. Let's see what happens. Oh man, it did not kick out. Let's try that one more time. Okay, 5 more rounds. Okay, so it worked 80% of the time with those shells, 8 out of 10. So no, I wouldn't hunt dove with this shotgun. All right, right now I'm going to fire 2 double-aught buckshot rounds. Now these are rated at 1,325 feet per second, so shouldn't have any problems. Now each one of these has 9 pellets in it. I'm going to fire 2 rounds, and then we'll go down and see how many pellets are on target. Should be 18, hopefully. All right, let's go take a look. Okay, so this big one here, that was a wad. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 2 missing. I'm guessing there's probably another one right here, and there's probably 1 or 2 right in here. Not bad for 20 yards. Okay, my last test. I'm going to fire 4 rounds. First 2 are going to be 1-ounce slugs. The second 2 rounds will be double-aught buckshot. I just want to see if everything's going to cycle. You can see that one hung up. Now the slugs are rated at 1,600 feet per second, and the buckshot 1,325 feet per second, so everything should work just fine, right? That did not chamber around. It did kick it in here though after I fired. Let's try it again here. Okay, so what do I think now that I got it back and supposedly it's been repaired? Well, of course it didn't shoot those light loads very well, but you know what? Citadel does say 1,300 feet per second. Those were what, 1135. So I'm not going to hold that against Citadel, but you know, those slugs are rated at 1600 feet per second. And there's really no reason why they shouldn't have cycled through this. And another thing I've noticed on the trigger guard assembly, this pin is starting to back out a little bit. Let's see if we can get a shot here. So anyways, the question is, would I buy another one? Definitely not. You know, I own several shotguns made in Turkey, just like this one. A couple of TriStar shotguns, a Stevens shotgun, again, all made in Turkey, and just excellent shotguns. I've reviewed pistols made in Turkey, Canex, for one thing. Everything I've shot that has come out of Turkey, been excellent, except for this turkey right here. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.